Hi, we are students from Harmony Science Academy and we did the elephant toothpaste experiment for our PBL. The elephant toothpaste experiment is an experiment that forms bubbles from the decomposition of hydrogen peroxide, where the products from the decomposition mix with the dish soap. The potassium iodide acts as a catalyst to this experiment. A catalyst is a chemical that increases the speed of the chemical reaction that is occurring. Throughout our PBL, we recorded our process throughout the project. This includes the complications and the changes to the project that we made after the first trial. In these recordings, we recorded our thought process while we researched materials and conducted the experiment. The hydrogen peroxide that we used in our experiment is usually made in large quantities, but it is a long process for making hydrogen peroxide. There is a new group of researchers in the United States as well as the United Kingdoms that have found an easier and quicker way to make hydrogen peroxide. They had the idea to make diluted hydrogen peroxide from oxygen and hydrogen, and this could make this product cheaper, making it available to underdeveloped regions in the world. Those regions in the world could use the product to purify water, something they lack and are in need of. Thanks for watching Harmony Science Academy.